Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to upload and install a ThemeForest theme for your Shopify website. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. I'm going to show you all how to upload a theme into your Shopify store from the ThemeForest Envato marketplace. Okay. And I'm also going to go through potential error message that you may get when you're trying to upload your theme. So hopefully you don't run into that, because I did notice that there have been some people complaining about this. So I'll show you how you can get into the back end of your file there. Okay, so I'm on the Shopify dashboard, and to do this, you're just going to click on Online Store and you're going to click on Themes. But before we get started with that, I am going to go ahead and open up Envato. And this is what you're going to see when you first log in. And you can see there's just like a whole bunch of stuff on this. Now, the most common mistake that I see people make is that they just go purchase whatever theme looks good. What they fail to do is they don't make sure that it is a Shopify compatible theme. And this is crucial. So when I do troubleshooting for people that have found me on YouTube, which I will also put this up on my YouTube channel, is they're like, I can't get this to upload. I've tried, your troubleshooting, and I'm failing forward. I will say 9.8 times out of 10, they have downloaded a theme that is not compatible with Shopify. So to make sure that you do not do that, you can utilize the link that is posted below to get to the page you need to, but you can also go to Web Themes and Templates, e-commerce, and then scroll down and click on Shopify. This will ensure that all of these themes here will be compatible with Shopify, okay? So this is the theme that I'm currently using, and then I'm also going to show you some debunking with one of the other ones that didn't show up properly, okay? So once you purchase your theme, you can go ahead into your back office, you'll get an email confirmation, and you're just going to want to download that. And you're going to download it, and it's going to be a zip file. So you can see here I have the walkie theme that I just purchased, and then this is the one I'm going to show you for the troubleshooting, okay? So you're going to go back over to your online store, you're going to click on Themes, and you're just going to click on Add Theme, and you're going to upload a zip file, and it's going to pop up with this window. So you can just go ahead and drag that in. So I'm going to open this window back up, and I'm going to go ahead and unzip this. I'm going to open up the folder, and then I'm going to drag the theme in and click on Upload File. And that's going to go ahead and upload the theme, and then you'll see it spin, and then you're going to be good to go. Now, what some people fail to do is they will go and click, and they won't extract the zip file, okay? So if I was to click back on Add Theme and Upload Zip File and just drag this walkie theme in there before extracting and click on Upload File, it's going to take a second because this is a big file. Come on. It's going to give me this error message here, missing template layout theme.liquid. Okay. So I'm going to click on upload file again, or cancel, right? So this is what we see with what a lot of people will do. Okay. So this is what was happening with my customer. They were clicking upload a zip file, and then with this Vinia theme, they were going to drag it in. Okay. Click on upload file, and I'm going to get that same error message that I got with the walkie theme, right? We'll wait for that to go. Okay, so there we go. What you're going to do is you have to make sure that you extract. It's very important to make sure that you extract this, okay? And it's going to go ahead and do its thing. Then you're going to have to find the source file, okay? That's the trick. So if you can't find the source.zip file for the particular listing, a lot of the times it's going to be right there when you extract it, okay? But sometimes you have to dig for it, especially if a theme has multiple styles that you can choose from. So in this particular case, this client was like, I have no idea what is going on here. So we had to go and find where the source files were. Once I explained that to her, she was good to go. So now it's extracted. You could see this here. You can't just go and upload this because you need a zip file, okay? So that's not gonna work. You double click in here and you keep going through and it's like, okay, this is what I got here. None of this is what you need, okay? Samples, no. So you want to go to source and you want to choose which package that you want to utilize, and you're just going to go ahead and drag that in and click on upload file, and you're good to go, okay? So you need to make sure that you're using the appropriate source file. Some of these themes are going to have multiple source files in there, so you just got to choose which one that you want to work with in your shop. I do highly recommend customizing everything before you have it go live in your shop, because if not, you could have some errors on the back end. So definitely go in and customize everything before you launch your theme, and also make sure that you save a backup if at all possible, okay? Really, the biggest issue, and I will reiterate this again, is when people are getting that error message, the missing layout error message, that is because they're not utilizing a Shopify theme that is compatible with Shopify, okay? If y'all have any questions on that, let me know. I'm happy to do theme installs on the back end for you. Just let me know. I can go in the back end and install them. It doesn't take me very long. I charge like 20 bucks to do it just for my time. So I'm more than happy to help you out there. If you need help choosing a theme, let me know. I'm happy to help you out there as well. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Feel free to drop a comment in the comments box below, or head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. And as always, if you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If y'all need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will catch you on the next video. Have a good one.